Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Release TV. Today, we're diving into a true classic reimagined for the future, the all-new 2025 Morris Minor. A name rich with history, now packed with modern tech and design that's guaranteed to grab attention. Let's break down why this retro-modern fusion might be your next ride. But before we get into it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. Stay tuned for the latest car releases, reviews, and automotive news, right here on Car Release TV. When you hear Morris Minor, classic British craftsmanship instantly springs to mind. And with the 2025 model, they've kept the essence of that timeless design while injecting it with sleek, contemporary updates. Let's talk about what makes this version stand out. Starting with the exterior, the design team masterfully blends nostalgia with innovation. You'll recognize those iconic round headlights and signature grille, but the shape has been completely refined. The updated body lines are more aerodynamic, giving it a modern silhouette without losing that vintage feel. Plus, lightweight materials have been used throughout, improving both efficiency and performance. And if you're eyeing the electric variant, this means better range and fuel economy. Now, under the hood, the 2025 Morris Minor gives you options. You can choose the 1.5L turbocharged inline-4 engine, perfect for daily city driving with its 130 horsepower. Zippy, responsive, and smooth, ideal for getting around town with ease. Let's step inside, where the retro charm continues. The dashboard combines analog dials with a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system, offering Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Comfort. You've got it. Premium leather seats for up to 4 adults, all while keeping that nostalgic feel alive in the details. And modern features like an electric heating system make sure you're cozy, even on those cold winter drives. As for pricing, the base model is expected to start around $25,000, while the electric version will likely push closer to $35,000. The higher price tag is justified with the electric powertrain and the long-term savings in fuel and maintenance costs. Performance-wise, there's a huge leap forward compared to the original Morris Minor. Back in the day, the Morris Minor 1000 took over 16 seconds to hit 60 miles per hour. But the 2025 model, the electric variant, is expected to hit 0 to 60 in under 8 seconds, making it a serious contender in today's market. So, what do you think? Is the 2025 Morris Minor the perfect blend of vintage flair and modern performance? Let us know in the comments. And if you're looking for more sneak peeks and in-depth car reviews, make sure you subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a release. See you next time on Car Release TV.